The world of cryptocurrency can seem daunting at first. With a myriad of technical terms and fluctuating prices, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. However, there's a reason why millions have taken the plunge into this exciting new asset class. And, at the forefront of this revolution stands Binance, the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it as a bustling marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade a vast array of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or thousands of other altcoins, Binance provides a secure and user-friendly platform to navigate the crypto landscape. In this exploration of Binance, we'll demystify the platform's features, delve into its security measures, and guide you through the process of getting started. The story of Binance is one of remarkable vision and rapid ascent. Founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, often referred to as CZ, Binance emerged during a period of explosive growth in the cryptocurrency market. CZ, a seasoned entrepreneur with a background in high-frequency trading systems, recognized the need for a reliable and user-friendly platform to facilitate cryptocurrency trading. With a small team and a clear mission, CZ launched Binance in July 2017. Within just 180 days of its launch, Binance had grown to become the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by trading volume. Today, Binance continues to innovate and expand its offerings, including spot trading, futures trading, staking, lending, and even a dedicated NFT marketplace. Binance's journey from a startup to a global leader is a testament to the transformative power of cryptocurrency and the vision of its founder. Binance's meteoric rise to the top of the cryptocurrency exchange ladder can be attributed to its impressive array of features. One of the platform's most enticing features is its low trading fees. Binance charges a competitive 0.1% fee on spot trades, significantly lower than many other exchanges. Users can further reduce these fees by using Binance's native token BNB for trading. Another key attraction is the sheer variety of cryptocurrencies available on Binance. The platform boasts a vast selection ranging from established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins with high growth potential. Binance's user interface, while offering advanced trading tools for experienced users, remains intuitive and beginner-friendly. The platform employs state-of-the-art security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold storage for the majority of user funds. Beyond trading, Binance offers various avenues for users to earn passive income on their crypto holdings, such as staking and lending. Embarking on your Binance journey is a straightforward process. The first step involves creating an account by providing your email address, creating a strong password, and agreeing to Binance's terms of service. Once you've created your account, you'll need to complete a verification process known as Know Your Customer, or KYC. This involves providing your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and residential address. You'll also need to upload a valid government-issued ID and a selfie to confirm your identity. While KYC verification might seem like an extra step, it's crucial for maintaining a secure and compliant trading environment. The verification process on Binance is typically quick, and once completed, you'll have full access to the platform's features. Section 5. Funding your Binance account. A variety of options. Once your Binance account is verified, you can start funding it to begin your crypto trading journey. Binance offers a variety of convenient methods for depositing funds, ensuring a seamless experience for users worldwide. One of the most popular methods is through bank transfers, supporting both domestic and international wire transfers. For those seeking instant deposits, Binance also accepts debit and credit card payments. Crypto enthusiasts can also fund their Binance accounts by transferring cryptocurrencies from external wallets. Binance supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies for deposits, and the process is typically fast and secure. The platform's diverse range of funding options ensures that you can easily deposit funds and start trading your favorite cryptocurrencies. Section 6. The Art of Trading on Binance, from Novice to Expert. Trading on Binance is where the excitement truly begins. The platform offers two main interfaces for trading, the basic and advanced interfaces. The basic interface is designed for beginners, providing a simple and intuitive layout with essential trading tools. For experienced traders seeking more advanced functionalities, the advanced interface offers in-depth charting tools, technical indicators, and order types like stop-loss orders. Regardless of your experience level, Binance provides a secure and user-friendly trading environment. The platform's robust infrastructure can handle a high volume of trades, ensuring a smooth trading experience even during periods of high market volatility. It's essential to invest only what you can afford to lose and to develop a sound trading strategy. Section 7. Beyond trading, exploring Binance's passive income opportunities. Binance isn't just about buying and selling cryptocurrencies, it also offers opportunities to earn passive income on your crypto holdings. One such avenue is staking, which involves holding certain cryptocurrencies in your Binance account to support the operation of a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency. Binance offers a variety of staking options, allowing you to choose from a range of cryptocurrencies with varying reward rates and lockup periods. Another passive income opportunity on Binance is lending, where you can lend your crypto assets to other users and earn interest on your loans. Binance acts as an intermediary, ensuring the safety and security of your funds. Passive income opportunities like staking and lending highlight Binance's commitment to providing users with a comprehensive suite of services. Section 8. Navigating the futures of finance, Binance futures and leverage trading. For traders seeking to amplify their potential profits and losses, Binance offers a dedicated platform for futures trading. Binance Futures. Futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price at a specified time in the future. Binance Futures allows traders to speculate on the future price movements of cryptocurrencies without actually owning the underlying asset. One of the key features of Binance Futures is leverage trading, which allows traders to amplify their trading positions by borrowing funds from the exchange. While leverage can magnify profits, it also amplifies losses, so it's crucial to approach leverage trading with extreme caution. Binance Futures provides experienced traders with advanced tools and features to manage their risk, including stop-loss orders and hedging strategies. However, it's essential to remember that futures trading is highly speculative and not suitable for all investors. Section 9. Binance, your trusted crypto companion. Binance has established itself as more than just a cryptocurrency exchange. It has evolved into a comprehensive ecosystem that caters to the diverse needs of the global crypto community. Security remains paramount at Binance, employing state-of-the-art security measures to safeguard user funds and personal information. Beyond its core trading functionalities, Binance offers a range of educational resources through Binance Academy, empowering users with the knowledge to navigate the complexities of the crypto world. The platform also features a dedicated NFT marketplace, allowing users to buy, sell, and trade non-fungible tokens. Binance's commitment to user experience is evident in its intuitive interface, which caters to both beginners and experienced traders. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, Binance remains at the forefront, driving innovation and providing users with the tools and resources they need to succeed. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, Binance offers a secure, reliable, and feature-rich platform to explore the vast potential of cryptocurrencies.